Yeah, baby. I'm addicted to drugs, but I got a vision for love. I got this pretty little bitch and I met her in Decatur. Said I'm underrated and her boyfriend's a hater. Then I got her pager and half an hour later we was sitting smoking papers, getting high in a vapor. But take that back, smoke switches, not papers. Peach a great flavor, down like Joe Frazier. Faded, not a fader. And my heart is cold like glaciers. And the limo is black like Raiders. And the Kush is purple like the Lakers.